Welcome everyone. Today we will explore how we can enable developer option in Windows 11. Developer options are a set of advanced settings that allow users to enable features for app development, testing, and debugging. By turning on developer option, you gain access to the tools that can enhance your productivity, streamline your development process, and unlock additional capability for creating and testing applications. This feature is supported in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's dive in and see how we can enable this powerful feature. Navigate to the main settings of your computer. If you right click on the Windows icon, you will find settings here. And the other way, you can go to settings by typing settings in the search bar and click on settings. Once you are in the setting apps of your Windows 11 laptop or computer, let's go to the search directly and type for developer. Or if you can simply type only developer and then go to developer settings. In the developer settings, you will find this option that developer mode. Install apps from any source, including loose files. So let's go ahead and turn on this feature. Once we try to turn on this feature, this will say that turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside of Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. Do you still want to turn on developer mode? Yes, we still want to turn on developer mode. Once you click on the yes, then the developer mode will be turned on here. Here you can also explore some of the other options, device portal, device discovery, and tasks, and so on. But our target here is only to turn on developer mode. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to turn on developer mode in Windows 11. You can turn this off by turning off this toggle button, and this will turn off developer mode. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.